How to make pizza bagels. Before we get started, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more delicious food videos. So let's get started. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. On a cutting board, arrange the bagel halves cut side up, spread 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce in an even layer oven each half. Then top each with 1 tablespoon of mozzarella and 1 tablespoon of mini pepperoni. Place the bagel halves on a rimmed baking sheet and bake until the cheese has melted, about 8 minutes. Serve immediately. Now you can easily make and enjoy your favorite foods to the next level with this simple recipe for pizza bagels. And that's for today's video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.